Hi, hello everyone, it's Mimi, and today I'm going to show you how I did this beautiful eye makeup look using the Ucanbe Beauty Perfect Eyeshadow palette. I really hope you like this tutorial. I tried my best to film something beautiful for you. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. And tell me how I can improve on my beautiful channel. So to start this eyeshadow look, I'm gonna first apply concealer to my eyelids to tone down any discoloration and darkness. Now I'm going to set my eyelids with a powder. I'm using this one from Covergirl. It's new and I'll have a name below. So after setting my eyes with the powder, I used the Ucanbe Perfect Beauty Glazed Eyeshadow palette in two colors, Brick and Camel. Brick was used as a contour shade on the outer third of my eye and in my crease, and Camel was used on the inner half of my eye to add some dimension. Okay, now that I have all the base eyeshadows down, I'm going to top everything with the Twinkle Dust by Ucanbe in the shade Firefly. This color is so beautiful. It's very sparkly and it's burgundy with a duochrome shift. And the reason I did my eyes before I did the rest of my face makeup is because this color is a loose eyeshadow and there's going to be fallout on my lower eyelid and on my cheeks. So I wanted to be able to easily brush that off. Eyeglass tip. Once you're done applying all your shadows, put your eyeglasses on and make sure that everything's even and that you like the intensity before you move on to doing your eyeliner and lashes. Once I've brushed off all that fallout from that sparkle shadow, I can go about concealing my lower eyelids and putting the shadow on the lower lash line. But first, I'm going to be applying eyeliner, and for this look, I'm going to be using blue eyeliner. It's one by Fat in the Moon, an organic company, and it's beautiful. And again, check that your eyeliner is even by putting on your glasses and giving everything a good once over in a magnifying mirror. And And because this particular eyeliner is organic and not waterproof and it's a cream, I am going to be setting it with a blue eyeshadow in the same color. This will also darken and intensify the blue. It will look more black instead of blue on the eyelid. If you understand what I mean, it's going to darken the color and make it more like navy. And that's the shadow right there I'm using. Okay, so now it's on to lashes, and I am going to be using the new Maybelline Bad Gal Eyelash Mascara in waterproof and black. This stuff is amazing. It gives the most beautiful, lightweight, feathery lashes, and it's black enough to show up on my already black eyelashes. And it actually does make your eyelashes have a nice curl. I wish I had an eyelash curler to better show how this curls on camera, but I don't. So that is everything that I used to create this eyeshadow look for glasses. And if you liked the finished look, which you saw at the beginning of this video, I have pictures of all the products I used at the end, and we'll have descriptions of everything in the description box. Bye-bye!